How to do Amazon affiliate marketing. 10 steps to making money online with an Amazon affiliate site. You've probably heard about how much money you can make online as an Amazon affiliate. Maybe you've even set up a site yourself, tested it out, and found that after getting everything up and running, only a few bucks in affiliate income came flowing in after a few months. Hi, Jason from Warrior Marketers here, and in this video you're going to learn 10 great tips to make the most from your Amazon affiliate marketing. Look, I know how difficult affiliate marketing can be if not done right. I've been there. But this video will highlight 10 quick and easy tips to maximize your Amazon affiliate marketing efforts. Okay, without further ado, let's talk about affiliate marketing through Amazon. Based on real-world experience, here's the best way to really make money with an Amazon affiliate site. And it'll only take a day to make the site. The secret? Low cost, low effort. So, how to build an Amazon affiliate site. Just building your Amazon affiliate site is one thing, but it's an entirely different challenge to start bringing in the right traffic that will convert into product sales once they click through to Amazon. Because of that, it's incredibly important to choose the right niche for your site straight from the get-go. Let's get to it. 1. Pick your niche. You're going to be doing product reviews and recommendations, so pick a topic that you enjoy and know something about. If you can't stay passionate about the topic, that will show, and it also won't hold your interest. Choose a narrow enough niche to be distinctive. 2. Choose your domain name and hosting. Make it keyword rich, not clever. Think how people will find your site in the search engines. Once you've picked your domain name, you now have to register your domain name. If you're not technically inclined at all, you can register your domain wherever you set up your hosting, but it isn't that difficult, and it's generally best to have separate providers for domain name and hosting. Domain names are cheap, around $10 per year, and I tend to use Namecheap. As far as hosting is concerned, again, shop around. You only need a shared hosting account, and these can be found for as little as $5 per month. A2 hosting is a good place to start. 3. Install WordPress. Isn't WordPress a blog platform, you say? Yes, it is, but it will give your site all the structure you need, plus make it easy to quickly post new content. WordPress is also open source, i.e. free, easy to install and use, and yet very powerful. Many hosts have a one-step installation process for it, or you can download it and follow their installation instructions. 4. Sex things up. One of the great things about WordPress is the huge variety of templates available for it. They can completely change the look and feel of your website. There are free and premium plugins to choose from, and feel free to experiment until you get the look and feel that you want. 5. Make use of categories. Most blog software allows you to create subcategories to help organize your entries. This will help visitors narrow in even more specifically on their interests. And anything that makes site navigation easier is a good thing. 6. Sign up as an Amazon associate, affiliate. Only now are you actually going to go over to Amazon. To sign up is simple and free. Just visit Amazon and click on the Join Associates link at the bottom of the page. Your site should already have at least the basic setup done, even if you don't have any content there yet, as they'll review the site manually before approval. 7. Create your Amazon Builder Link bookmark and link. This will make it easy to build the link with your Amazon affiliate ID built in. Log into Associate Central. Look in the left navigation sidebar, go to Build a Link, and under Static Links, find Individual Items. Click and drag this onto your Links toolbar or Favorites menu in your browser. 8. Build your first link. Go to Amazon and log in with your Associates account. Find a product you want to review and use the site stripe. This is the grey stripe at the top of the screen that you'll see when logged in as an associate. To get your personalised link to the item, decide whether you want text, image, or a combination, and copy the embed code that is generated. They also offer a variety of other options for creating links and banners. 9. Blog your review. Now you need to write your product review on your blog and choose the appropriate categories for it. You can write the review post in the Visual tab. Once the review is written, decide where you want to add your Amazon link, switch to the Text tab, and paste in your Amazon link code. Once you have done this, you can swap back to the Visual tab to see if it looks okay, and if it does, hit Publish. 10. Build out your Amazon affiliate site. Before you promote your site, you want to have some substantial content there. Write several product reviews. Have at least 2 to 3 in each category that you've created. You may also want to make categories for articles, news, and commentary about your topic. The more content your site has, the better. Bonus tips for making money online as an Amazon affiliate. Promoting your Amazon affiliate site. The best free way to do this is to communicate with other bloggers writing about similar topics and to participate in online communities where your topic is discussed, such as social media, Facebook groups, and forums. To pick up some extra pennies, sign up for Google AdSense. It probably won't generate a lot of revenue, but it's free to sign up and completely effortless to maintain. Set reasonable expectations for earnings. You've only invested a little cash. You're going to make 5% on most products. That means that you need to sell $400 worth of stuff to make back an investment of, say, $20. To make $20 an hour, what you review must generate $400 worth of purchases. You get credit for other purchases that customers you send make while at Amazon, besides just the product that you linked, so it's not as hard as it may sound. It won't make you rich overnight, but it's not hard to be profitable and it builds over time. I hope you found this video useful. Please like and leave a comment about whether you have or intend to start affiliate marketing with Amazon. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos helping you to grow your online business. And wherever you are in the world, have a great day.